Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how energy flows through ecosystems, a process that connects all living things. It all starts with the sun. Plants, called producers, use sunlight to make their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. Herbivores, like rabbits, eat the plants and gain energy. They are called primary consumers. Then, carnivores eat the herbivores. These are secondary consumers. Some animals, like hawks or lions, eat other carnivores. These are tertiary consumers at the top of the food chain. These relationships form food chains, and in nature, many food chains overlap to make food webs, complex networks of who eats whom. Each time energy moves from one level to the next, a lot of it is lost as heat. Only 10% is passed on. That's why fewer animals live at the top of the food chain. When plants and animals die, decomposers like fungi and bacteria break them down. This returns nutrients to the soil, and the plants grow again. This cycle of energy keeps ecosystems balanced and alive. Every plant, animal, and microbe plays a part. So, from the sun to the soil, from plants to the predators, energy is always on the move. Isn't that wild?